Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Vietnamese keyboard on computer. I'll be going over two main ways to do it. One is to use a software called Unikey, and the other one would be to use a built-in Vietnamese keyboard. So first I'll be going over Unikey. Unikey is a free software that you can download and use to type Vietnamese. I've been using it for a long time, since Windows XP. Before built-in Vietnamese keyboard was even introduced. So I know it works. It has never failed me. It also works on Mac as well. I tried it on my brother's laptop. So if you have Windows or Mac and you want to use it, it works. So let me show you how to download and install it. It will just take a few seconds here. You can just open browser, any browser, type in Unikey. It should be unikey.org. So just select Unikey download. Select the one that works for you. And then in an instant it will be right here in the download history. It will open the zipped file. So when you double click on this software right here, we'll ask you to extract all, and this is the extracted file. Just to use it, you just double click on it, or you can also search in the search box. Just type in Unikey and then the software will show up right here. You can just click on it. Either way it works. So just double click on it, and it will show you the Unikey control here. Điều khiển means control. You want to keep it as Unicode. Kiểu gõ means typing style. It has a few style here: telex, VNI, VIQR. So I usually the two most popular one are usually telex or VNI, but for computer I usually use VNI, because then when you type in a sentence, for example, if you type Vietnamese and English in a sentence, it doesn't mess it up. For telex, it might mess it up if you want to type Vietnamese and English in the same sentence. So I choose VNI, and then you click Đóng, which means close. And then it should be down here, right here. You see it's V, since Vietnamese. And we can try it. We will try it right now, but just in case you don't know how to type Vietnamese or you don't remember, you can also go to my website here. So it should have, I have a post about how to type Vietnamese on computer, and I talk about VNI method and also telex. So there's a little cheat sheet here that you can refer to if you don't remember. And that's it. And then let's try it out. See? So now it works. So for example, if you suddenly type and it doesn't work, okay, and then you wonder what's going on, it's probably still in English mode. So if you look at the corner and it says E, it means it's still in English. So you have to click on it to change it to Vietnamese, or you can click on the shortcut Control Shift to change it as well. Okay, and once you're done, if you want to close it, just right click on it, click on Kết thúc. Kết thúc means to end the program, to exit. Okay, to end it. So click on Kết thúc and then you close out the program. Okay, and next time if you want to use it, just type in the search Unikey, and then it should show up right there. See? So that's how you use Unikey. Okay. Another way to do it is to use a built-in Vietnamese keyboard. And to do that, you just type in the search box here, language settings. It's right here. and you scroll down to preferred language. You can add a language here. Just type in Vietnamese, and then it should show up Vietnamese here. Click on it, click next. So you can install language pack. You can also install text to speech. I don't really change it, so you can just install. Also, here if you want to set it at display language, you can as well, but I will leave that unchecked for now. And then install. Yeah, so right here you see that it has English keyboard, US keyboard, and also it has Vietnamese keyboard. And unfortunately it says to telex, but I believe you can change it. Oh, it's still downloading. Just hold on. Let me see if it works. Oh, now it works already. See, so this is what I'm talking about. Like if you have telex, when you try to type English, it just messes all up. See, what I was trying to type is word, and then it's like that. So you have to like type it once and then type it again in order to get the English word. So it may slow you down if you type something like you want to work with both English and Vietnamese at the same time. So just WordPad, and then just type in the same thing, which is sorry, I'm not as fast with telex. It's usually used on cell phone. Yeah, so that's how you do it. For Windows, they have telex. I wonder if there's a way. I think there's, okay, I think you can go to option. So when you click on options, it shows you a way to add additional keyboard. So telex is a way to type Vietnamese, but let's check to see if what other keyboard they have. Okay, so click on add a keyboard. So we see here that there's another type of keyboard here and a number key based. So number key based is basically VNI. It's because VNI use number from 1 to 9 to type all of the Vietnamese marks. So if you choose that, it changed to VNI. So when you click over here, select Vietnamese number key based. And then let's try it out. So it works. So yes, so that is how you type Vietnamese using Vietnamese built-in keyboard. You can select telex or VNI. Okay.